Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. In today's video, we are going to be practicing two beautiful pranayama techniques, Sitkari and Bhramari, even more special because they can be practiced together. So let's get into the practice. Sitkari, that which cools. A wonderful cooling pranayama, very good for people who have high BP and who are prone to ulcers. Also good for digestion because it helps the production of saliva, and also very good for stress management. If you tend to get constipated or you have asthma, cold, cough, please avoid practicing Sitkari. The very simple, comfortable technique to practice. So for Sitkari, you're going to start by keeping your teeth together. I am not clenching the teeth, just placing the teeth in line with each other. My tongue is going to be touching the back of the teeth where the upper and the lower teeth meet. Now if you notice, there is naturally a slight gap between the teeth through which the inhalation will smoothly flow over the tongue. Now as you exhale, you're going to roll the tongue up to touch your upper palate so that you retain the moisture in the tongue while you're exhaling. On your inhale, you're going to slightly lift the chin up. So let's practice. Teeth together. Place the tongue behind the teeth. You can start with chin mudra on your knees. Drop the chin down slightly. Keep the eyes closed, face relaxed. Inhale through the mouth here. Close your mouth. Take the tongue to the back of the palate. Drop your chin down completely. Exhale through the nose. Let's try that again, few more rounds. Your exhalation can be in Ujjayi or normal nostril breath. Close the mouth, tongue to the palate. Drop the chin down and then exhale. One more. Slowly come back to your natural breath. Observe the coolness in your mouth, the cheeks, the tongue. Very gently open your eyes. So that was your Sitkari Pranayama, where you're inhaling through the mouth, the gaps of the teeth, and exhaling through the nose, retaining that coolness and moisture in the mouth. The next technique that we're going to learn is Bhramari. Bhramari is the sound of the bee or humming sound of the bee. Bhramari Pranayama is very good for people who suffer with insomnia. It's also used a lot for voice culture and voice therapy. It can be used during pregnancy and also for skin related issue, and it also helps with stress management. So how do we practice Bhramari Pranayama? You can practice Bhramari Pranayama by blocking the ears or Shanmukhi Mudra or Chin Mudra. Today, because we are combining it with Sitkari, we'll use Chin Mudra. In Bhramari, you're going to inhale and exhale through the nose. But during your exhalation, you're going to produce a gentle humming sound like the sound of the bee. Take your tongue, here again you're going to place it at the back of the teeth. So the sound, instead of a ma sound, it's na, like a nakara, little bit more nasal. When you're doing the sound, when you're practicing the sound on exhalation, take your awareness to the back of the head where you can actually feel and experience the resonance of this sound. We'll give it a try. You're going to inhale through the nose, and as you're exhaling, you're going to make the humming sound. The purpose of the humming sound here is to make your exhalation long. So don't restrict yourself, don't constrain, don't keep it short. Allow the sound to expand your exhale. Eyes closed, hands in Chin Mudra, palms on the thighs. Relax the face. Let's begin. Slowly come back to your natural breath. With gentle blinks, open your eyes. Now we're going to learn to combine Sitkari with Bhramari. It's very simple. Inhalation is going to be through the mouth, through the gaps of the teeth, with the tongue touching the back of the teeth. You're going to lift your chin up. You're going to bring your chin back down, release the tongue from the upper palate, and then exhale through the nose with a humming sound. Just recapping that again. Inhalation is through the mouth. Take the tongue to the back of the palate, bring your chin down, release the tongue first, and then exhale. So exhalation is through the nose with the humming sound. We'll do 3 rounds of this together. Eyes closed, fingers in Chin Mudra. Nice long spine. Start with the chin slightly lowered. Let's begin. Come back to your natural breath. Become aware of the sensations in the mouth. Noticing that resonance and vibration in your face, head. With gentle blinks, please open your eyes. So that was 2 techniques, Sitkari and Bhramari, and they can be beautifully combined together. And once you practice say 6 to 8 rounds of this, you will notice how calm and composed and clear you are and how clear your thoughts are. So definitely try these 2 out. Let us know if you have any questions, we'll definitely answer them. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was beneficial for you, and I'll see you in the next one.